Hi, my name is Steve Tasson, and I'm a professor here in the Department of Law and Legal Studies at Carleton University, and I'm the undergraduate supervisor. And I just wanted to talk to you today a little bit about some aspects of our program and what might be interesting for you. So you may not know, we have roughly 70 courses available in the department. So it's a lot of opportunities for you to try out your various interests and to see what you like. That can be a little intimidating though, and so what we also offer is some concentrations in the program. So if you're particularly interested in things like business law, where you examine the connection between sort of the business environment and legal regulation, we talk about things like contracts and structures of business, then the business law concentration might be right for you. We also have a concentration in policy and government, which really is a chance for you to talk about how we use law as a public policy tool. So like how we use law to get things done essentially through government. We have a third concentration, which is in transnational law and human rights. And this is if you're interested in maybe studying law beyond Canada. So if you're looking at international law and talking about sort of what those structures look like, as well as how they relate to human rights issues and questions, then that might be a concentration that might be right for you in the program. And the last one is a new concentration, which is in criminal law and social order. And in this concentration, we sort of look at the criminal justice system in Canada, and we look at how we might reform the justice system, what are some of the kind of big questions we ask, how we might bring the criminal justice system more in line with our ideals of what criminal justice should be. So those are our sort of four concentrations. Now, you don't have to take any of those concentrations. You can be sort of quite general in your approach. You can look at all of these things if you want. But if you want to sort of focus your studies a little bit more in any of one of these areas, then you can kind of try one of these concentrations and see if you like them. And it's a way of distinguishing yourself from some of your peers. It's unique to the program here at Carleton. And it's also attractive for employers because they can see at a glance sort of where you focused your attention during your studies.